How to make the most of your study abroad experience. Tips for a successful trip. Studying abroad can be a life-changing experience that offers a wealth of personal and academic growth opportunities. To make the most of your study abroad experience, here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Research your destination. Before you go, do some research on the country and city where you will be studying. 1. Learn about the local culture, customs, and history. 1. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident when you arrive. 2. Plan ahead. Make a list of everything you need to do before you leave, such as obtaining a visa, buying plane tickets, and arranging housing. 2. Create a packing list to make sure you have everything you need. 3. Embrace new experiences. Studying abroad is all about stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things. 3. Be open to new experiences. Try local food, attend cultural events, and explore the city. 4. Learn the language. If you're studying in a country where the language is different from your own, try to learn some basic phrases before you arrive. 4. This will help you communicate with locals and make your experience more enjoyable. 5. Stay organized. Keep track of important documents, such as your passport and visa, and make copies in case they are lost or stolen. 5. Keep a calendar of important dates, such as exams and travel plans. 6. Stay connected. Keep in touch with friends and family back home, but also make an effort to make new friends and connections while abroad. 6. Join student organizations, attend cultural events, and try to immerse yourself in the local community. 7. Stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings and take steps to stay safe, such as avoiding dangerous areas and carrying a cell phone with emergency numbers. 8. Take advantage of academic opportunities. While studying abroad, take advantage of academic opportunities such as internships, research opportunities, and language courses. 8. These experiences can enhance your academic and professional skills. In summary, studying abroad can be a rewarding and exciting experience, but it's important to plan ahead, stay organized, and embrace new experiences. With the right mindset and preparation, you can make the most of your study abroad experience and create memories that will last a lifetime.